I'm gonna show you guys how to get an international bank account in less than 1 hour. So who is this for? So if you're selling in the US, okay, and let's say, so if you're selling in the US and you aren't from the US, so let's say you're in the UK, okay, and you have a UK based bank account, you definitely want to do this because when you sell on Amazon, okay, they give you dollars, but then they transfer it back to your bank account in the UK, and this is going to give you British pounds, but they're going to charge you 3.5 to 4% for that. And that's just because of their taking money for the international currency transfer. But if you have an international bank account, you can receive money in dollars, okay, as a UK citizen, and you can get it with OFX, and we have links down there, and it's a sign up process. It's really easy. But by doing this, you're going to receive money in your dollars in your OFX account, and they transfer $21 billion a year. They're publicly traded companies, so you could trust them. And essentially, then your money's going to be in here, and you can take it out at any time. And when you transfer it back, you'll get 1% or less. So it starts at 1% for the beginners, and then we have rates going even lower. We've gotten the best rates on the market because OFX likes us. They want Amazon sellers because we're all the growth of the future. Please use the right link down there because we've negotiated those rates, and they're giving us those rates because they like us and they trust us. So don't use the wrong link. Do use the accurate one for your seller level. It's a great deal. And so basically, we're going to save money there. We could just have it sitting here, and then we could send our dollars over to China, okay, to our supplier, and our supplier wants dollars. But if you have a British pounds and you're paying your supplier, they want dollars. They don't want pounds. So your actual bank is going to charge you 3.5 to 4% when you transfer and wire money to them too. So it's a really unfortunate circumstance. So that's the way that it's working. Anybody outside the United States, you got to be using international currency transfers. Otherwise, you're getting hosed. Let's say you're in the US, okay, and you're going to go sell in UK. Or you're going to go sell in other European or other Amazon marketplaces. You want to do this too because it's the same concept, all right? And now, even if you're just in the US, you could still go ahead and do this, and you'll get an account with OFX, and then it'll be nice and easy because you're just going to be able to send money to your supplier, and you can send it any time of the day, and it'll get there in 24 to 48 hours versus your bank, it might take days, and then also you're going to get that fee of like $50 to wire. So it's convenient, not world shattering if you're just selling in the US, not doing that much in revenue. You probably don't need to get it, but as you start getting up in larger numbers, or if you're selling internationally at all, you definitely need to be doing this. So if you guys use the links down there, just sign up, fill out your company information, and then that's it. Just a note when you're filling out that form, make sure to put your actual phone number, okay? This is a publicly traded, trusted company, and they need to call you and do KYC, so know your customer. They actually have to talk to you and get official business documents. That's the law for doing anything with bank accounts and international wire transfers and money. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, let me know, and on to the next video.